This video is going to go through 2003 AP Macroeconomics free response question number 3. We have to assume that two countries, Atlantis and Xanadu, have equal amounts of resources. Atlantis can produce 30 cars or 10 tractors, or any combination as shown by the line MN in the figure above. Xanadu can produce 20 cars or 40 tractors, or any combination as shown by the line PQ in the figure above. So for part A, which country has an absolute advantage in the production of tractors, and explain how you determined your answer. The absolute advantage in production of tractors means just which one could produce more tractors with the same amount of resources. And that is going to be Xanadu, because with equal resources, it can make more tractors. Now we're going to look at part B. Which country has a comparative advantage in the production of cars? Using the concept of opportunity cost, explain how you determined your answer. So now what we're going to do is find the opportunity cost in Atlantis and Xanadu of making a car. So we're going to set the two extremes of both production possibility curves equal to each other. In Atlantis, 30 cars or 10 tractors. And that means one car would equal 1/3 of one tractor. In Xanadu, 20 cars equals 40 tractors, so a car equals 2 tractors. So then, comparative advantage is which has the lower opportunity cost, and that would be Atlantis, because 1/3 is less than 2. Now let's look at part C. If the two countries specialize and trade with each other, which country will import cars? And then we have to explain why. And that is going to be Xanadu, because it has the higher opportunity cost for producing cars, which means it is going to produce tractors, but it still wants cars, so it's going to trade for them. And now part D. If the terms of trade are such that one car can be exchanged for one tractor, explain how Atlantis will benefit from such trade. And Atlantis will benefit because trading one for one will allow it to consume beyond its production possibilities curve. Let's look at this for a minute. Atlantis, their production possibilities curve is this line, MN. So it can make 30 cars or 10 tractors. And Atlantis is making cars, so it's going to make 30. And then if it trades one for one, it can come down to this point, 2010, which is outside of its own production possibilities curve. So Atlantis will benefit from trading because it will be able to consume more than it would if it didn't trade. That has been the 2003 AP Macroeconomics free response question number 3.